take the paint. We're going to take the paint off so that we can see if there is any rot underneath. And so often there is. So we use a Metabo stripper to get the first layer off. It's brutal, but it works very, very, very well. So off we go. That gets the 100 years of paint off in a couple of seconds. Yeah. Now all we have to do is sand it back for that minutes, and we're now at a stage where we can start cleaning them up so that they're lovely and smooth. We'll go down to 320 grit. We've started off. We've taken the main bulk of the paint off, and now it's just making sure that everything is nice and smooth, because the smoothness of it helps the painters, and it also helps the running of the sashes.
It's absolutely vital that you do this with a very light cut. Otherwise, you'll go horribly wrong.
So the sashes are now all sorted. They've all been draft stripped, and we're now awaiting Barry to come along. He'll be glazing them this afternoon. So what we'll do is later on today we'll be going back to the flat to start on the frames.